Look at this hair. Look at this like nice middle part. And like I said, it's a fun, effortless look, so it just kind of looks like beachy waves. Guys, so this is the finished look of this unit that was sent to me from Nadula Hair Company. The unit is very simple and bomb. Now this is a straight bob cut unit, guys. It's 150% density and it is 12 inches long. This unit is a 13x4, guys, and it fit my head perfect to the T. I did not have to cut the ear tab area or anything like that. The wig landed ear to ear perfect on me. And you guys already know I'm a medium to average cap size head, so this was check plus. Now the unit is a straight unit, but you guys saw that the unit when I put it on was a wavy texture. The only thing I did with this unit, guys, was bleach the knots on this unit. I did not tweeze it or anything, just bleach the knots. And I did wash the hair obviously and let it air dry. So when I let it air dry, that was a pattern that I got from the unit. So I said to myself, why would I just go ahead and straighten this out when I could just leave it in this natural pattern, add some more waves to it and buff it up. I feel like this look is definitely a springtime look, a nice short bob length kind of like wavy style, very soft wavy style. I did go ahead and use my deep waver to achieve this look, my bedhead deep waver. I'll leave a link down below for a similar one on my Amazon storefront. I absolutely love this product, especially when you want to go for springtime waves or that type of relaxed look. I feel like that deep waver definitely helps. I have not done a style like that in a while. All I did with this one was really just emphasize it on top of the waves that I already had. So you can say this is a straight unit, but it also has a natural wave texture once it's wet. I thought it was super pretty, and I'm like, you know, there's no point in me straightening this out. You guys know it's gonna look like when it's straight, but let's go ahead and show it in a wavy style. Very fresh, fun. The 12 inches is 12 inches all the way around. Obviously you'll get a little bit more length in the front right here, but I'm not opposed to that. If I want to, I can go ahead and cut it very, you know, straight all the way through. But I think it looks very pretty like this. Let me go ahead and show you guys the edges so you guys can see what I'm working with. The lace is impeccable AF, guys. Like I said, it's a very nice high quality 13x4 lace frontal wig. All I did with this unit was bleach the knots. I did not tweeze it. The unit already came tweezed. So you guys can see. Wait a minute. Do you see this hairline right here? Let's be for real. Okay? Like, it just does not get any better than this. Like, this is flawless AF, guys. Very easy, I'm telling y'all. All I did was, like I said, go ahead and bleach it. If you didn't want to bleach it, you didn't have to. The unit actually came already bleached a little bit, but with me, I'm kind of extra, so I want to go ahead and make sure I settle it really nice. So bleaching it just kind of opened up even more. I did not tweeze it, guys, so this is what you're going to get. If you want to go ahead and tweeze some more towards the back, you can. Now, you guys did see me go in with my root touch-up, and I used this just to kind of make the parting space a little bit more sleeker for the middle part. And you guys can see that it looks nicer, cleaner, and it just makes it look much more realistic than before. But guys, look at this hair. Look at this like nice middle part. And like I said, it's a fun, effortless look, so it just kind of looks like beachy waves. This is definitely a nice unit if you want to wear it on a trip. It doesn't have a lot of length on it. It's like it lands at the perfect area, guys, and just looks fabulous overall, guys. So I'll leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Nadula Hair Company. There will be a coupon code. Obviously, all that information will be left down below, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.